Right, Scrafters, I am literally in Bose, surrounded by all of the people that would watch this on YouTube, so I don't really know why I'm recording it. But anyway, it's the long-awaited Jet versus PipL. So let's do this thing. Yeah, we're on Cosmic Sapphire, big old map, and we've got Jet up in the top left. We've got PipL then, both as Terrans in the bottom right. Production tab is up. Let's get the names at the top. So Jet's already ahead. Look, I don't know how. I don't know how that's even possible. But look, he's one supply ahead. So, you know, that's a strong result for him. Assuming he has got a depot. He has. So we're knocking it out of the park here at this early stage. Let's take a little peek across the map. This mouse is not very sensitive. This is going to take a while. Okay, so it's a much bigger map than Royal Blood. It's a longer rush distance. You've got like weird bits in the middle, and the reason I mention them, if you're parked in this, then no matter what direction somebody comes at you, you've got high ground and they don't. So it's a good place to just kind of hang out and be ready to wreck folk. Barracks is finished. No sign of a marine or anything though just yet. There's the first marine going to be built. Over on Jet's side of the map, has he actually got units yet? No. Going for a ridiculously safe bunker before even starting the CC. No Marines in it yet, but you know, we'll see. We'll see what happens. Let's look. Yeah, they've even got APM. Well, kind of. A bit zero-y there for Pip for a while. That always concerns me. I don't trust people with zero APM. It worries me about what they're doing with their hands. So you've built gas, Pip, but there's only the one worker in it. Why would you do this thing? And look at this guy. He would love to be mining gas. He'd love it. It'd be his favourite, but he's not, is he? He's not. He's just looking. He's looking at his recently built depot, presumably with some level of pride. What? Where are these guys? Okay. I mean, yeah. They're the same minerals. There's no benefit to doing that unless this was massively oversaturated, which it wasn't. It might have been oversaturated by one, in which case maybe transfer it to the gas. The only time you really do a worker transfer like that is if you've got a gold base. It's worth moving all your workers out of the main to mine the gold instead. It's worth the kind of momentary dip in income while the workers are transferring. I don't appear to have any sound. So let's just hold up.
And what are you going to do without the terror music?
I don't hear anything.
Right, meddling is so bad he's broken everyone else.
Is there not a speaker?
There totally is. I don't know. I feel like I'm too deep to worry about this, but yeah, no, not that.
There you go.
I have no idea whether OBS is actually recording the noise or not. Who knows? Maybe it is. Anyway, we'll crack on. Yeah, so what? Where do you think you're going? Just kind of walk in casually on a move command? You're not. So here, look, there's a whole bunch of stuff here. Okay. That is... Those aren't similar numbers, are they? Pip, you're dead. How are you... Well, like, we're 5.5 minutes in, and you've got army supply of 2. Now, admittedly, a minute ago it was 5 before the whole marine incident, but like, how is that a thing? What the hell? So Pip, you're dead. You just, like, you haven't built any units. You've got a lovely collection. Oh, look at the starter stepping in all fancy. Yeah, so, yeah, it's just dead. You've got a lovely collection of buildings. I mean, you've got 3 racks. They're still idle. You're still not actually building any units. What is this? Another barracks isn't what you need when 2 of the ones you've already got are still idle. What you needed was for the barracks to not be idle roughly 4 minutes ago, and maybe you'd still be alive, but you're not. Like, there's another barracks over here as well, and it similarly isn't building anything. So, you know, normally I would criticize people for not having enough production, not having enough production buildings, but on this occasion you had got enough production buildings. It was very much the fact that they weren't doing anything that was the problem there. This guy's been left for dust. Come back, guys. Anyway, that's GG. It's 1-0.